love it. 10 over 10.
Here is the part 1 of this video. Okay, if you've not watched it, please go ahead and watch it, because this is where this video actually started. Okay, so it will give you the insight of how we started and where we are going to. This was the unboxing of this video. Okay, where all the prices and everything is shown. And on this part 2, we are going to be trying on everything that we got, the clothes and other accessories. Okay, please keep on watching. I appreciate you. So sorry the part 2 of this video is coming in a bit late. Life happened and I took a break. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. If you've not subscribed, this is the right time to do so. I appreciate you so much, a lot.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be the continuation of the last unboxing video that I made with Temu. Okay, if you've not seen that video, go back and see it, and so that you know how and when we started. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying on some of those accessories that I got from their website. First thing is the hair, the clothes and other accessory. Okay, so here is our hair. The hair is giving, it's contributing, it's donating. Trust me guys, this hair is perfect for the price. I got this hair for $16. It's not so expensive. Look at the hair. It is not a human hair, but trust me, you can mistake this hair as a human hair. It's a kinky straight hair. Okay, you know all this kinky hair that you know. So this is kind of the straight on it. Now we are going to try this hair on, but before then I will quickly give you guys a hack on how you can cornrow your hair, fake your cornrow. You don't have to be perfect with these things before you can look beautiful. Let me show you how you can, flatten your hair even if you don't know how to cornrow it. I'll just part my hair into 4 and I'll show you. Okay, you don't even need any cotton comb, but I have it here already, so let me use. But you don't have to use it, guys. You don't have to use it though. Just divide your hair into, you don't have to use the pattern comb. Divide your hair into 4 and do your thing. Just how to flatten your hair. Even if you don't know how to cornrow, you can still flatten your hair. Okay, you can still flatten your hair. So you guys can see, it's just nothing. It's nothing. Just still flatten your hair. Just mat it down. See, this one is it flat or not? So guys, as you guys can see, this one is settled. Is it not flat? It's flat now. I can rub it. It's not big cornrow, don't worry. Okay, now we're going to do the another one. I don't even have to show you guys again because I've already done that. Remember, you don't have to pat it. Just use your hand and divide. Cut out the section that you want and do your thing. Scare. Do I need to comb? Just a little bit. So let's flatten this side again. So this is the last section though. Just do it the same way. We're just faking cornrow here. That's what we're doing to flatten our hair a little bit. Then at the back, just some look at how I did it. Oh, my hair never flat. Then go ahead and use your cap, and of course this cap will make it flatter, okay? Just to tell you that you don't need all this unnecessary. I'm not saying that cornrow is not good, it's good though. I'm just showing you the easier way to do this. My hair never flat. I'm flat now. What am I still waiting for? Ready? We are ready, okay? Now let's rock this wig. Whoop. As you can see, my bag is still here. My bag is still, keep on watching, okay? We're going to be rocking all this. Look at them. We're going to be rocking them. When we are done with the wig, we're going to be rocking all of them, okay? My bag is still here. Look at them here. Okay, guys, there we go. Our hair is here. This hair comes with a band, okay? Look at it. There's a hook in here. How many hooks? 4 hooks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here, kind of open it up. Just wear your thing. I'm gonna hook it at the back. Okay. Oh, okay. Well secured. Hey, look at her now. Hey, God of mercy. Then you can go ahead and style the hair anyhow. What? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. You are paying for your money. No regret. No regret. 10 over 10, guys. I'm rating this hair 10 over 10. Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm obsessed with this hair. You can go ahead and style this hair as you want it. Okay? That's what I'm doing right now. Hey, what? Ooh, wow. Ooh, this hair is everything. Wow, wow, wow. I feel good. La, 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 la. I feel good. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let me start. Ooh. This hair is everything. I'm going to style it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You have to be careful with this hair so that it won't tangle. you like, you leave it like this. If you like, you might try to cover this band with your own favorite thing. Look at what I'm going to use to cover it. It's optional, you know. You can always do anything that pleases you. So beautiful. This hair is 10 over 10 for me. Okay, so next thing we are going to be checking. Okay, first out. Here is the first one. You can try it and I'll come back. Guys, so here is it. So beautiful. I love it. 10 over 10. So here is another one. Sexy top. Ooh. Let me bring out everything so that I will just be wearing and be showing you. And this one also, I'll be trying it.
I think this feels a little bit tight, but I think with time it's going to be fine. This top, you can rock it with any pants of your choice, with jean or any pants. I love it. I love the style too. So this PG is a little bit bigger, but I think I like it. It's for sleeping, so you don't need anything tight. And here is our jumpsuit. So the major reason why I started shopping from this website, I saw this jumpsuit and I fell in love with it. It is called Love at First Sight. Check this jumpsuit out, guys. It is beautiful. It's everything. The jumpsuit is everything. But one thing with this one I'm putting on is that it is not my size. Yes, it is not my size.
As a matter of fact, this jumpsuit is not true to size. So if you want to order something like this, make sure that it is above your size. For example, if you are wearing size 8, you have to double it to size 12 in order to fit you perfectly, okay?
With shower cap protector. Yeah, I tried it. At first, I felt that this is very soft, that it won't really work. But when I tried it on my daughter's hair, I think it's perfect. Yeah. Look at it here. If you have not seen the part 1 of this video, go and check it out so that you can see all the prices. I listed it in the part 1 of this video. And here is the 2-piece set of my daughter. Here, this one is also beautiful and she loves it. What do you guys think? So beautiful. But I think she loved the hair more. Okay, she loved both the hair and the... So guys, here is gonna be a bonus in this video. These two outfits I got my own from Amazon at a very high price, and I noticed that the Temu also said this particular African print, but theirs is way cheaper, way more affordable than Amazon. So the reason why I'm putting up this, because I would love you guys to always compare prices. Okay, we're not supposed to be throwing away money, but this dress is perfect. It's beautiful. The material, you will love it. You will love it. I got mine when I was pregnant, and I'm still rocking it now. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Please go ahead, subscribe. God bless you.